I've been dating since I was 15. I'm exhausted. Where is he?
Who, the White Knight?
That only happens in fairy tales.
Okay, they don't make Cosmopolitan. It's a Staten Island iced tea.
Is that like a Long Island iced tea?
I think so. Hello, I'm drunk.
Sorry, you're waiting. I know, I'm 10 minutes late.
Well, I'm 3 weeks late.
What?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Really?
No, I just thought it might be a fun thing to say.
Yes, you're getting married.
Woohoo! You hear that, New York? I'm getting married this year! I'm getting married, and here I come!
If she falls over, I will never stop laughing.